Since 2003, Colorway has been a manufacturer of digital printing solutions and inkjet media for the professional graphics market. We operate a 30,000 square meter factory with 7 production lines, producing media for various printers, while providing unparalleled technical support to help your business stay efficient, flexible, and profitable. Our headquarters are located in Nanjing, with our production base in Yangzhou, both of which are very close to the port of Shanghai. This proximity ensures that our products can be produced and shipped quickly to the port and finally to the hands of our customers. As your printing needs continue to evolve, let us be your trusted supplier for paper, ink, inkjet printers, and presentation accessories. We offer inkjet paper, canvas, fabric, and final materials suitable for projects ranging from everyday print drafts, drawings, maps, and presentations to durable photo and art prints, posters, event graphics, wallpapers, and indoor and outdoor signage. Our 10,000 square meter warehouse is stocked with inkjet materials, lamination, and mounting films for aqueous, eco, solvent, latex, resin, and UV curable wide format printers. Every inkjet product is meticulously produced and rigorously tested to ensure superior quality, compatibility across various printer types, and competitive pricing. A company can have the best products, but without an excellent team, it is nothing. Fortunately, Colorway has both. We all share a passion for getting things right, whether it's providing the right advice, finding the perfect product for you, offering proper training, or delivering ongoing support.